If you want to get iPhone theme on your OnePlus 15R, what you can do is you can download the iOS launcher on your phone, for example, by using the Play Store. If we go to the Play Store over here, we can easily search for either iPhone theme or iOS launcher or something like that. And of course, you should be able to find a bunch of different launchers that allow you to get the iPhone theme. You can try any of them and see which one you like the most. In my case, I'm going to use this one over here, so I'm going to install it and I'm going to show you how to set it up. Usually it is fairly easy, you just have to follow the instructions that you can see on the screen as you move through different menus. In this case, we don't have to agree to use the location, but we can allow the access to contacts and some other stuff as well. And then we can tap on Make Default Launcher, so it might be necessary to do so. To make sure that whenever you go to the home screen, you actually open this iOS launcher. If you don't do that, then you will just go back to the main, the standard launcher instead. So let's close the ad, let's tap on OK, and over here we can switch to the iOS launcher. And there we go. We have our iOS launcher ready. We also have the app library if you want to use it, and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.